Good morning children, welcome to today's section. Today's section is for 3rd standard students. Children, you all have seen many such things which can fly. Yes, we have seen many things which can fly like birds, insects, yes, different types of things, even things. In things also, some of the things the boys will enjoy. They make them to fly like kites. Balloons also can fly. How balloons will fly? Balloons are not having wings. Miss, how balloons will fly? Balloons are not having wings. But balloons are filled with air. Yes, children? Balloons are filled with air. So, what happens, when you blow the balloon is filled with the air. Then you tie a small knot to it and you let the long thread. Yes? Then what happens? You will be holding the thread of the balloon, children. Sometimes, suddenly the thread slips from your hand. Then what happens? The balloon starts flying. It goes high up in the sky. Yes or no? Like birds. Birds have very hollow bones. Hollow andre poklu ela bartava. So the birds, they fly with the help of their wings. With what? With the help of their wings due to the air. Yes or no? Everywhere there is air wherever we move. Without air, can we breathe? No. We are unable to breathe without air. Air is important for us to breathe. Yes or no? It is very important. Without air, can you live? Gali illande usradtiri neevu? No. Gali beku usradlikke. Yes or no? We need air to breathe. Usradoke ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Breathe. Air andre ಏನು? ಗಾಳಿ. Breeze. Wind. Yes, this all is called as what? Air. So, when there is air, we are alive. Without air, we are dead. Yes or no? To breathe also, we need air. We human beings, we breathe with the help of the air. Birds fly with the help of the air. Butterflies, houseflies, insects, beetle and all, how they fly? They fly, though they are very small in size. Small they are. Yes or no? So all these things, how they fly, children? They fly with the help of the air. Yes or no? They fly with the help of the air. We see many different types of birds in the sky flying. Yes or no? We see like sparrow, pigeon, dove, bat. These are the birds. They fly high up in the sky. Then you people nearby, Sankrantri festival, now recently on January 14th the festival comes now. Yes, what you people do? You people start flying the kites. How are the kites made, children? Already you all have studied the poem Kites in 2nd standard. Yes or no? How the kites are made? The kites are made with the help of the paper and the string. Yes, we need one paper, we need one string to make a kite. Then when we make the kite with the paper and string, hardly it is weighted. Hardly. Very less weight is there for the kite. Then what you people will do? You will thread it. You put a knot with the help of the thread. Yes, and then you use a big thread for that and you tie and you tell your brother or your friends to leave it up. Then once the air is very fast, you start going on leaving the kite and the kite going on flying in the sky up and up. It goes so far. You are here but the kite is flying so far away in the sky. Why it is flying, children? With what? Only with the help of the thread it is flying? No. It is flying with the help of the air. Yes or no? When there is more breeze, when the wind is very fast, when the air is very fast, then the things will move. The birds will fly, the kites will fly, the balloons will fly. Yes or no? With what they are flying? With the help of what? They are flying with the help of the air. Yes or no? They are flying with the help of the air. So here children, today we are going to start the new poem, that is Summer Skies. Yes, the new poem, that is Summer Skies. This is Unit 8. You all can open page number 21. Page number 21 in your textbook. And this is Unit 8 poem. This is Unit 8 poem, that is poem number 7. Unit 8 poem 7, that is Summer Skies. Yes, Summer Skies. We see most of the birds, summer andre enu basically when there is more hot. Yes, when we people sweat a lot, when we drink more water due to thirsty, when we can't walk outside in the hot sun, that is called as summer season. What we call summer. So summer sky. Sky is what? The sky. It is very hot. Yes or no? The sun is giving us a very speed and very strong sun rays. With that, where is the sun? The sun is in the sky. Yes or no? So when there is summer season, the sun rays are very strong. We cannot move outside in the afternoon. We try to go early in the morning, or else we try to go in the evening. Yes or no? So summer means basically. Yes. So summer skies. The name of the poem is what? Summer Skies. So here children, swallows dip and swoop and dart. Swallows dip and swoop and dart. So swallows means what? Swallows. Swallows means a small insect eating bird with a forked tail. A small insect. We can find different types of insects. They are very small in size. They are very small in size. Swallows. And then so. And the third one is dart. So these swallows means what? These are small insects, very small insects we find children, where they eat the birds, eating birds with a forked tail. They will be having the forked tail, and with the help of that tail, they will be eating the birds. When a bird dies or an animal dies, the small insects you see, they will be flying on that body. Yes or no? They will be flying on that body, and they will be eating the flesh of that animal or that bird which is dead already. Yes or no? It is dead, and the insect is flying on that body, and it is eating the flesh of that body. It is eating the flesh of that body. So dip and swoops the darts. So swoops means what? More rapidly downwards through the air. So the birds sometimes will be flying in the sky, and they fly down only near the body. They continue rapidly. They will be putting rounds, round. They will be flying. So that is called as scoops. And here dart means to move with sudden speed. Dart to move with the sudden speed. You can see some of the birds, they will be sitting here. If someone sees them, suddenly they get up from there and they fly and go to the another place. That is sudden speed. ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಎದ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹಾರೋಗ್ತದೆ. That is called a sudden speed. Yes, that is called a sudden speed, that is called a dart. We call it as a dart. Across the summer skies. Across the summer skies. Upon the sky only they will be flying across. They will be moving from this cross to the that cross. This corner to the that corner of the sky. They will be moving across the sky. Whole sky they will be moving. They will be flying in a round circle shape. The birds will be flying in a round circle shape across the sky. Across the purti akasha. They will be flying across the sky. The summer sky. The summer sky means that hot summer, the birds will be flying across the sky. They use the air to lift their wings. See, birds, when they want to fly in the sky, what do they use? They use the air. What they use, children? Air. Air andre enu? Gaadi. They use the air. For what? To lift the wings. Lift the wings. Lift means to make their birds to move. They want to fly, to move their wings. That is, lift the wings to there. They use the air to lift their wings and carry them up high. See, why the birds they need air? When there is air, then once they start flying, they start moving their wings upwards and downwards. Upwards and downwards. Why? Because they can fly high up. When the bird's wings start moving, when there is air, then only the wings will move. At that time only the birds can fly. And when they start flying, they can fly very high up in the sky. High and ati yatrakke. They can fly very high up in the sky. So, when they want to fly very high up in the sky, what they want? They want air, breeze, gaali beku. Yes or no? They need more air. So, when there is more air, then the birds can fly very high up in the sky with the help of their wings. With what? With the help of their wings. You see many birds, children. Yes? You see many different types of birds. They fly high up in the sky. With what? With the help of the wings only. They fly with the help of the wings. These wings help them to fly high up in the sky. Wings. These wings, they help the bird to fly very high. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರು ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ? ಅದರ ರೆಪ್ಪೆಗಳು, the wings. The bird that is having a wings, these wings help the bird to fly. To fly with the help of the air. With what? With the help of the air. ಗಾಳಿ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅವ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಾರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. So here, swallows dip and swoops and dart across the summer skies. They use the air to lift their wings and carry them up high. Balloons will float when full of air and kites when there's a breeze. See, balloons. Balloons, children, you see many different types of balloons. Balloons means what, children? When you celebrate your birthday party in the home. Nowadays, new trend is going on there now. They bring different types of color balloons, different types of shapes of balloons, and they blow it and they put the disco on that, and here down they put the color paper, and then they stick them to the walls, on the walls in the different shapes. Yes or no? You use balloon for all functions. Marriage function, reception function, puja function, or home opening ceremony function, whatever is there. For For each and everything you use balloon. Even when you go to the fairs, jatrigella hogtiralla? Yes. There also you can see the person who is selling a balloon seller, he'll be having different types of balloons. Some balloons he'll be having which he shapes with the birds, with the animals like tortoise and all. Why? He has different shapes of balloons with him. He blows the balloons and he sells them. And you children, you people like balloons, small children, you love balloons more. You want to play with that, you want to make that sound with the balloon. So, you love to play with balloons. So, sometimes balloons will float when full of air. When you buy one balloon and what you do, you fill that balloon with air. Balloon. This is what children? Balloon. What you do here inside, you have filled that balloon with the air. What is there inside the balloon? Air. Gaadi. Edarle oottiradana gaadi. With the help of the mouth, with the help of the pumping machine you use and you blow the balloons. Yes? Then once you blow the balloon is filled with air inside it. Yes or no? How it is filled? It is filled with air inside the balloon. The balloon is filled with air inside it. And you put a knot to that and you just leave it like this way and just try. The balloon will fly high up in the sky. It flies. Why? Because it is very lightweight. It is very lightweight. So, you hold in your hand, you blow the balloon, you put a knot to it and hold in your hand, and suddenly when the air is very fast, the balloon will fly. Don't catch it, you see, it flies high up in the sky. Why it flies high up in the sky? Because it is filled with air. Why? Because the balloon is filled with air. Yes or no? And kites, when there's a breeze, and kites also, even kites also we can have different shapes of kites we have. Yes or no? Kites. This is called as what children? Kite. We call it as kite. Galipata, you say. Yes or no? Yes. So, once you just string a knot to this, here and here you people will string the knot like this way. And then a big knot you will thread, you join to that. And then what happens? One of your friend will just help you to fly it. Then once the air is fast, once if it rises up in the sky, then it goes on flying high up in the sky. With what? With the help of the air only. How the kite flies? The kite flies in the sky with the help of the air. Why? Because it is also light-weighted thing. It is also a light-weighted thing. So, just once your friend helps you to fly the kite in the sky, then suddenly once it is reached little up, automatically it starts flying high up in the sky with the help of the air. With the help of the air. When it goes very up in the sky, it looks so small from far away. Yes or no? The kite, it looks very small in size when it reaches very up in the sky. Yes or no? The birds also you can see, when the crow and the other birds when they are flying up in the sky, you are down and you are watching up in the sky, you can see the birds are looking so small. Why? Because they are very far away from us. Yes or no? The birds are very far away from us. So balloons will float when full of air and kites when there is a breeze. And kites also when there is a breeze. Breeze andre enu? Gaali. So when there is breeze, the balloons, the birds, the kites, they fly high up in the sky with the help of the breeze. Breeze This means N. Yes. So here, all colors and shapes and size flying above the trees. Yes. There are different types of colors. Kites, then shapes, and then size 11. So see, we can find different types. Breeze. Another name for air is what? Breeze. Size means there are big balloons, there are small balloons. Shapes. We can find the balloons in star shapes also, like this way. Yes, and some we can find in a round shape also, like this way. We find different types of shapes in balloons. Yes or no? So here kites are also different types. They have the design of the elephant, or the design of the bird, the design of some things which you use. Yes or no? We can find different shapes and different size in the balloons and kites also. All colors and shapes and size flying above the trees. Different colors are there. They are not in one color only. All are having different colors. So many types of colors are there. Yes, many types of colors. So all are having different types of colors, different shapes and different sizes also. They have different sizes also. Flying above the tree. Then once these all start flying, they are above the tree. Above andre gidada mele. They are flying above the tree. That means they are so far away from us and the nature things. They are flying very high up in the sky. Once they start flying, they are flying very high in the sky. White clouds, fluffy clouds. White clouds. White means modagalu, clouds. Clouds. This is called as what? Modagalu. Yes? What is the color of the cloud, children? White. What is the color of the cloud, children? White color. What is the color? White. So here, fluffy. Fluffy means what? Some clouds are very big in size. Some clouds are very small in size. And the color of the cloud is what? White color. What is the color of the cloud? White color. Floating across the sky. How the clouds will be moving? Floating. Floating means the clouds also are moving in the sky. The clouds floating. Floating andre even they are moving from this place to the another place in the sky. The clouds are moving from this place to the another place in the sky. Can you make one different shape as they sail by? So, can you make one different shape as they sail by? So, when the clouds are moving in the sky, you can see the clouds form different shapes, children. Yes? ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಡಗಳು ಸರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. They do different types of shape. They create different types of shapes in the sky. We can see in the evening time, at the night time, the sky is dark in color. It is not blue in color. It is dark in color, but the clouds are white in color. At that time, we have to look at the sky at the night time. We can see the clouds are forming different types of images. Different types of pictures we can find with the help of the clouds in the sky. They create the clouds. They create different types of images in the sky. Yes, children. So this was the and they start sailing on the sky with the help of the different types of images. Yes, sometimes you can see it shows the image as if the Krishna is sleeping. Sometimes it shows the image of the duck moving. Sometimes it shows the image of the rainfall. Different types of images we can see in the clouds. Yes, so this was the small poem that I have completed for you people. Once let me read this poem, children, then I will show you the images of the clouds that create in the sky. Summer skies, swallows dip and swoop and dart across the summer sky. They use their air to lift their wings and carry them up high. Balloons will float when full of air and kites when there is a breeze. All colors and shapes and sizes flying above the trees. White clouds, fluffy clouds floating across the sky. Can you make out different shapes as they sail by? So, let us see the images now. So, here children, you can see what kind of shapes do the clouds can form in the sky. See, so many different types of shapes are there, children. The clouds, they form different types of shapes in the sky, children. Yes. So, children, you saw in the image how do the clouds form different types of shapes in the sky. Such many observations are there in the sky, children. At the night time, whenever you are sitting idle, please go outside of your house and stand in the balcony of your house and you can observe the sky at the night. Then you can see how the clouds have formed different types of shapes in the sky. Yes, children. Now, this was today's poem that I have completed for you people. Let us read these words once what are written on the board. So, here. SWALLOWS, swallows. SWALLOWS, swallows. SWOOP, swoops. SWOOP, swoop. DART, dart. DART, dart. AIR, air. AIR, air. LIFT, lift. LIFT, lift. WINGS, wings. WINGS, wings. BALLOONS, balloons. BALLOONS, balloons. KITES, kites. KITES, kites. SHAPES, shapes. SHAPES, shapes. SIZE, size. SIZE, size. BREEZE, breeze. BREEZE, breeze. CLOUDS, clouds. CLOUDS, clouds. WHITE, white. WHITE, white. FLUFFY, fluffy. FLUFFY, fluffy. FLOATING, floating. FLOATING, floating. Yes. So these are the words that you need to by heart, children. Then just read this poem 2 to 3 times and by heart this poem, and I will be in front of you with the new video. Till then, thank you children. Have a great day.